Remember, if at any point you get confused about what you have on your site, just choose this View All Site Content. I'll demonstrate with mine. If I choose View All Site Content, I can look at just about everything that's on my system. Here's my document library. Here's that sample site too. Now, when it's time to make use of the editing capability of these web parts to actually do something with the web parts, the way you would do that is by clicking on this little down arrow key, and you'll notice the option to modify a shared web part. This is where I can go in and add new things to the website, as well as change some of its properties. If you remember, I mentioned that there are some common properties and then some properties that are specific to specific or to certain websites. And so, for example, here are the common properties that I can change, like the title and the size, but then in addition I can add new links to this because it's a specific site or a specific type of web part for listing websites in this case, or for listing links. Now that's how I would edit a web part. To add a brand new web part, if I wanted to add a process book trend here, for example, I would choose under Site Actions to edit the page. And when I choose to edit the page, that will bring up the zones that you normally don't see on a web part page when you're using it. But from here, there's a button in the middle that allows you to add new web parts. And a dialog box will come up, and this is a list of all the web parts available. If you're familiar with ActiveX controls, this is analogous to that in the web world. These are reusable components, and the course today is all about using our components, our web parts called the RT web parts. So we'll be looking at things like trends, etc.